I'm just asking for my website. I've got many questions about how to get from the Kalymar highway to another, and for instance from Magadan. And all people say that there is no road between Magadan and Chukotka. And one guy said that it's possible to go along the Kalymar River through Zyryanka, Sredne-Kolymsk, and just north, and also by winter road just along offshore. Is it true?
Yes, you can get all the way to Avikinot from here on a winter road, the Zimek. So you have a very good Zimek, a very good road each winter, all the way to Chersky, and you can get, there is a winter road going down to Anusk across the border in Chukotka. And then from Chukotka, well, from Anusk and Chukotka, then you're on your way all the way up to Bilibino. And then there are winter roads from Bilibino to Pevek. And then there are some good roads, some hard roads, even that you can use in the summer from Pevek to Bilibino. From Pevek to Avikinot. Getting to Owelin would be harder. Then you're on the tundra. There's no roads to Owelin. And there's no roads to Anada.
Which part?
Anada.
Anada.
Owelin. Owelin is on Cape Dezhnev.
Ah, I see.
So you can use a good road in the winter. You can drive all the way to Avikinot in Chukotka. In the south, there are no roads. Dmitry is in Omshukshan. I think there are roads out as far as Omshukshan. After that, nothing.
So it's easy to get to by car, but you didn't have car. So how was it?
Walking?
Yeah, walking in winter. What was the lowest temperature? And what did you do?
Well, all my journeys have been in spring, because that's the best time to do it. I've tried from Pevek. I walked into winter, into December, and then stopped. Winter really is in two halves. If you're going to travel on foot, you need to travel in late winter, spring, because that's when the conditions are best. Early winter is a nightmare. It's just terrible. There are still open rivers and open water. Temperatures are extremely cold, but the snow is very soft. So to travel in that snow is very, very difficult. In late winter, in spring, the snow is harder. The surfaces are easy to travel on, and there's more light, so you have more daylight. And there are winter roads in late winter, spring. In early winter, nothing. So if you're going to travel in the Arctic on foot, or even on car, late winter, spring is the time to do it.
Cool. So when did you start your journey from Bilibino? What was
when? I can't remember the date I actually set off from Bilibino. I think it was the 10th of March, maybe, or April. I can't remember. It took me about 35 days.
35 days.
To get from Bilibino, so there you go. Yeah, it took about 35 days to get to Sredne-Kolymsk from Bilibino. So just over a month.
Okay. What was the distance?
The distance is about 1,300 kilometers or something like that.
1,000. Wow.
So I have all these details on my laptop. I can't remember off the top of my head now. But it's about that.
So what did you do to survive on that way, on that route?
Well,
in any case, it was cold.
Not
right?
that cold. I mean, the coldest temperature this spring was minus 32, I think it was, Celsius. That's not, it's cold, but it's not certainly not the coldest. I mean, I've travelled in minus 40, even minus 50 before. And that's still air without wind chill factor.
Yeah.
Me and Dimitri travelled along the coast of Alaska once. We had -40 Celsius still air temperature and a strong wind.
Oh my God.
The temperature, we worked out that it was something like -98 degrees Celsius with a wind chill factor. It was crazy, badass. And that's when Dimitri, it got frostbite. And so it was very, very, very harsh, very bad. Well, that put some of the hard cold.